Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Fanesh from Fanesh Nunna signing in to take the review of Suzuki Dzire. Let's take the review of Suzuki Dzire. Let's see the exterior look of this Dzire. This is the front view of the Dzire. Here there is a window, rear view window, and a door to the driver's seat, and the back seating door. And we have the storage case right here. And this side we have another door, and this side there is another door to the owner's seat, and there is a rear view mirror. That's it for the exterior look. The lights are been like this in this way, so nice. Here the number plate will be like this. Okay, there will be an exterior light like this. It will be so nice at night time. Let's see the interior look of the Dzire. This is the model. This is the model number of the Dzire DDIS. The Suzuki's Dzire. This is not the Swift Dzire. It is the Maruti Suzuki's Dzire. Here is the key to unlock it. The key will be looks like this. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, I thought it will be seen clearly. See, there is a lock, unlock buttons here. You can unlock with the key also, like this, as simple as like this. Wait a second, I have to see. This is the best way to keep. Yeah, you can unlock like this. Wait. Yes, it is unlocked. Or you can lock like this. Sorry, there is a glitch in this. Yeah, let's welcoming the interior look of the Brezza. Sorry, Dzire. Here there is the interior look of the Dzire. See, the driver's seat looks like this. The owner's seat looks like this, and the rear seats looks like this. There will be the two pillows, and here is some light. The light is on. But it is because the door is open, so the light is on. See, this is the interior look. Let's start it. There is a window here. Sorry, there is a mirror, preview mirror. Here comes the steering, and here come the key slot, and lights will be here, light controllers. As we know, accelerator, brake, and clutch will be down, and petroleum system and the seat storage case openings will be right here. Let's sit inside and see the look clarity. Let's on the engine. First we have to close the door and have a seat inside. Let's close the door. Now keep the key in this way. See, it should be kept in this way, twice and thrice. Now you can open windows. You have to lock the system. See here, there is the ACs will be like this. There is storage case here, and there will be some storage space here. Let's open it and see what's there inside. There are some car documents, I think. Yeah, it's correct. There are some car documents as usually, and with the charging slotted pin. Let's close it. Here we come the main panel of the. Here there is the power button. We can on it. We can connect with Bluetooth. This is the volume. This is the audio settings. We can use FM, CD. You can keep a CD here. We can use FM, media, Bluetooth. See, in this way we can control this Bluetooth devices and everything. Here we have the slot to keep charging. See, we have an extra charging slot like this. They will be provided. We can keep charging with these cables, or otherwise you can use they provided like this also. See, it is one aux cable connector and one is the pen drive connector. You can use these also. The AC controls are like this: direct face and foot, direct foot, and the mirrors only to the mirrors. You can use here like that. I am repeating, this is just for face. This is face and foot. This is only for foot, and this is for the windows, for the glasses, not the windows, I mean for the glasses to the front and back, and this is only for the glasses. In here we can get the blow from down also to the foot. Here the flow will be increased and the heat will be generated. Here the temperature control will be given to the ACs. It is cool, it is normal, and it will be hot as usual, as you all know it. Here in the steering system you can see, once I will move it like this. Okay, this is the perfect view, I think. Yeah, it's good to see. Here this button is not there because it is just for a show. This is a mute button. This is the mode changing button. We can change the modes here. Here, as you pull up, it will be increased volume. As we pull down, it will decrease the volume. If you press this left button, this will change the previous track. This will change into the next track. The steering system is like this, and let's look into this here. Yes, as you can see, there is a display here. This is the speedometer, as you all know. Here the fuel indicator is there, the range is here, and the time is 11:56. As the time is showing here, the time, the range, and the fuel indicator. There are 2 points, means I think the fuel, I don't know the capacity of the fuel tank of this car. If I know, I will enter this in the description. Up to now, I don't know what's the fuel tank capacity. I know just what I know. I will say that only. See, here you can open this also. Here there will be some certificates, the licenses and everything. What we can keep, you can keep here. And here also we have an extra one. Here we will get an mirror to see. You can change this also. Here we are getting this with an airbag protection. See, it is with the airbag protection. We should keep the seat belt as usual while driving. It is fully censored one. Here we can see the wipers, the rain wipers. If you pull it up, the water will be flushed onto the glass of the front glass. See, I am pulling it up. Yeah, have you observed it? The water is flushed onto the glass. See, yeah. Here you can observe it clarity. Yes. If you change the mode here, once it's going to be flush like this. The speed is going to be increased. This is the high, low, instant, off. It is in the off mode. If we will just once, it will be mist. It is the mist mode. Let's see to the lights. Here there is the light mode. It is for the signals mode, not for exactly. See, if we going to the up, it is going to the left indicator. That is indicating like there. If we pull it down, it is right indicator. This is the brightness mode. Yes, we can increase and decrease the brightness right here. And where is the headlight mode? The headlight mode, this is the headlights indicators. Headlight brightness will be controlled here by increasing and decreasing. And this is, as you all know, this is simply the indicators. The control of the headlights will be here, given here. See, this is the on button of the headlight. And this is the power throw of the headlight. 1 second. Yeah, now you can see this is the on button of the headlight, and this is the power throw of the headlight. See, we can increase and decrease the power throw of the headlight. See the levels. It is up to 5. You can increase the level. You can decrease the level. The lights will be seen outside. As simple as like that. You can move this seat also to the front and back. Here it is there. See, here there is an, you can use like this to move front and back the seat. The seat can be adjustable like this. Here there is the petroleum slot and the, as I mentioned before, the petroleum slot and the storage case slot will be opened from here to the from the driving seat. See, the slots is given. Let's open and check what's there in that also. I am pulling both the feet to up. First to the petroleum one. Yes, it's open. And the storage one. I have opened both of them, and let's go out and check what's inside it. Let's off the engine. Yes, it's unlocked. is automatic unlocking. When you off the engine and pull out the key, then automatically the engine is going to be off. See, the storage case is right here. You can open it like this and you can keep, there is a lot of storage space. You can keep like this. So much of nice. It's so nice. Yes. There will be a light also here. In light cases, it will be on automatically. Let's close it. Yes, it's closed. And here is the petroleum slot. It is a diesel controlled system. So here we can pull it as the diesel. One second, I will open. One second, I will open it and show to you. Is a lock. Yes. Here you can open it like this, and you can close as before. Simple. Rotate like this, and it is locked. And this is the lock. It is a diesel controlled system engine, so you have to pour the diesel. See here the diesel. See, this is the tire number S165 by 80R 1485T is the tire type. The four tires are as same like this. This is the complete review of the Shiv. This is the complete review of the Maruti Suzuki's Dzire. Thank you for viewing this. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Finish signing off. This is Fanesh from signing off. Take care. Bye bye and be enjoyed.